Namaskar. This is Dr. T.M. Prasanna Kumar, the Chairman and the Chief Physician of Prarthana Ayurveda Health Center, Matutavani, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. So, the whole world is under 144, under the guidance of the corona's destruction. What are we going to do now? Due to the failure of the mainstream of the medical system, the allopathy, the Ministry of Ayush now have declared some drugs. Some drugs like Indukanta Kashaya, Dasamula Kadutraya Kashaya, Vyagradi Kashaya, Nirdharishta, and Chavanpras and Postmanda Rasayana. Some of the drugs declared by the Ministry of Ayush. So it is the very right time for us to come under one roof, under one umbrella, both allopathy and Ayurveda. The allopathy, being the emergency system of medicine, can really combat with the disease which will make the people get out of the emergency and bring back to the life. And whereas the Ayurveda, the real healing system dated back to 5000 years, will help in treating the disease as well as increasing the ability and the immunity of the host, that is the human body. Let us try to combat both the system under one roof. It was the failure of the post office, the courier service came into existence. So here there is a small difficulty or the failure from the allopathy system, and now it is our turn, the turn of the traditional Indian medical system Ayurveda, which is the mother of all the medical systems in the world, to treat and to rescue the world from the disease called corona. It is only Ayurveda which has brought Mriga Ayurveda 5000 years back itself. Do you know why? What is Mriga Ayurveda? Mriga Ayurveda is the system of treatment for the animals. Why have the Acharyas at that age itself has brought this Mriga Ayurveda, or the treatment of the animals with Ayurveda? The whole world, the whole surface has to really be healthy. It is not only the human beings who have to be healthy, it is also the animals which are living with us. It is also the plants, which is called Vriksha Ayurveda, that also have to be healthy. The animals have to be healthy. So here is a virus called COVID, which have been affecting the human beings. Maybe it would have traveled from the animals, or maybe it would have traveled from different areas, we are really not knowing. And so the whole thing has to be corrected to bring the human beings into a strategy of good health. For that, we have to improve the immunity of the human beings, animals, and the trees. Now, here we have seen the gastroenterology doctors have also peeped into the system of the corona treatments, telling the corona positive cases are affected with their digestion. How? Ayurveda has been emphasizing on the treatment of the Agni, the digestion. So, as far as I am concerned, we can take this treatment into three categories. One is Amapachana Chikilsai, the other one is Agni Vardhana Chikilsai, the third one is Rasayana Chikilsai. What is Amapachana Chikilsai? It is the eradication or throwing away the dust in the system of our human out of the body. The Ama is called the undigested waste materials, which may also be virus or the bacteria. So throwing away that Ama from the system. The second thing is Agni, the digestive part, where we have to strengthen the Jhatar Agni and the Dhatu Agni to combat the upcoming virus as well. The third and the most important thing is the Rasayana Chikilsa, wherein we give the Chavanprasa or Kusmanda Rasayana and increase the immunity of the host. And from my humble part, apart from the Kashayas and the Aristas and the legions told by the Ayush Ministry, I would also like to add on the Dhanvantram pills and also the Swasananda Gudika, which also will be more efficient in treating or giving a helping hand with the Kashayas and the Aristas and the legions to combat the disease called corona. So let us keep our environment clean, let us keep our body clean, let us keep our mind clean, and let us really have a very, very, very safe life. Thank you very much.